Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to learn a very interesting poem, Golden Chain, which is written by Helen Rice. This poem talks about friendship. That's why we have to discuss on some questions which are related to friendship. First question is that have you good friends? Very simple question. Have you good friends? Absolutely everyone is say that yes, because everyone has good friends. But second one question is that what is need to growing friendship? What is need to growing friendship? What we do? Do you know? Maybe you have know about it. There is a need of faith and trust. If we have faith or trust in relation of friendship, obviously our friendship is grow and grow day by day, isn't it? Let's go on third question. Okay. How do you feel if we have don't any friend? How do you feel if we have don't any friend? Can you imagine? Absolutely, you should be, or you will be imagine if have don't any friend, we feel like loneliness. Do you know? We can't live without friend. So we have need to of friendship. uh, Next one question is that uh, why do we share our secrets or happiness with friends? Can you tell me? Every person, our feelings, our emotions, our whatever we, our feelings, first of all we share with our friends, which too close to you, which friends close to you. Okay, we should be mentioned close friends there. We know which are our emotions, happiness, secrets. Okay, whatever be. First of all, without hesitate, we share with our friends. Only one person is there. He is our close friend. We can everything share with him or her, isn't it? Then, because we our feeling with because we feel comfortable, isn't it? Why we share with him or her? Because we feel comfortable with our close friends, and we can trust to them, isn't it? That's why our secrets, happiness, sorrows, whatever will be there, we share with our friends. Then uh, we are going to learn this poem. We are going to start this poem. Just before I read loudly this poem, this poem composed by five stanzas, divided by this poem divided by five stanzas. I will read loudly one by one and listen carefully. First stanza is that Friendship is a golden chain that links our friends so dear, and like a rare and precious jewel, it's treasured more each year. First stanza. Okay. Second one stanza is that it's clasped together firmly with a love that's deep and true, and it's rich with happy memories and fond recollections too. Time can't destroy its beauty. Third one is that time can't destroy its beauty for as long as memory lives. Years can't erase the pleasure that the joy of friendship gives. Fourth one is that for friendship is priceless gift that can't be bought or sold, but to have an understanding friend is worth far more than gold. And the fourth one is stanza. And the golden chain of friendship is a strong and blessed tie, binding kindred hearts together as the years go passing by. Last one stanza. Okay, we have read this poem. Now we are going to analysis one by one stanza. Listen carefully. First stanza. Friendship is a golden chain that links our finds so dear, and like a rare and precious jewel, it's treasured more each year. In first stanza, the author is comparing the friendship with golden chain because, like golden chain, friendship is a valuable links the relationship of friendship with each other. Do you know? In friendship, every person is important, but it should be good friends and close friends, like a golden chain. If suppose we have golden chain and it is every link of chain, okay, every link of chain is a important for making a golden chain, isn't it? Every chain is a valuable. Same here in friendship, every friend is a valuable and important, isn't it? Here, poet is comparison friendship with golden chain, like compared with precious jewel because it is grows more precious as each year passes by. Got it? I hope you have understood it now. Here, in this stanza, new words. We have to discuss on new words. Clasps. You have to note down it. Clasps. Held tightly. Clasp means held tightly. Second stanza. We are going to second stanza. It's clasped together firmly with a love that's deep and true, and it's rich with happy memories and fond recollections too. What is the recollections? It is also universe remembering the past. Recollection means remembering the past which have done in the past. Then it's clasped together firmly with a love that's deep and true, and it's rich with happy memories and fond recollections too. Look at her. In this stanza, the poetess is trying to tell us that a deep and true love binds the golden chain, isn't it? Of friendship together firmly, and the poet is further telling that the real friendship is a bond with memories of past and recollections of the thoughts, which the friends are very fond of it. It means that every person can't be friends, which are friends to your close. It should be, it will be uh, thoughtfully or things, uh, what should we say, uh, bonding, which bonding of thinking, it's important in making to the close friend, is it? Which are memories of friendship have done in past, which we have enjoyed, or mm, passed by year with friends. That's all bonding with friends, it is a important. That's why memories of past and recollection of the thoughts, which are recollections of thought in the friends or between the friends, these are important. I hope second stanza also we have understood. We are going to third stanza. Time can't destroy its beauty. Time can't destroy its beauty. Okay. Time can't destroy its beauty for as long as memory lives. Years can't erase the pleasure that's the joy of friendship gives. Erase means wipe, wipe, WIP, wipe away, wipe away. Erase means which destroy, we wipe as our writing boards or notes which we have note down or written words, we wipe or erase with the help of duster like that. Erase means wipe away. The for friends, time can't destroy its beauty. Time can't destroy its beauty for as long as memory lives. Years can't erase the pleasure that the joy of friendship gives. It is a very deep meaning, deep full meaning. Time can't destroy means which we have live, which we live with friends, our days or moments. We can't forget. We can't live it, isn't it? Same here. Poet says that for as long as memory lives, our memory is now in present also. These are it didn't or get destroy its lives. Years can't erase the pleasure that the joy of friendship gives. In this stanza, author promising to us, isn't it? Uh, Friendship gives us so much joy, which we have lives as a joy. Its joy can't be destroyed by time, nor neither be years erase its pleasure. That is the real joy that friendship gives us in our life. Which are moments we have lived with friends, we have done enjoy. Okay, that's day we can't forget, nor anytime, neither with moment or pass by year, isn't it? uh, I hope third stanza also we have understood. We are going to fourth stanza. For friendship is a priceless gift. For friendship is a priceless gift, very meaningful and important this line through this poem. Listen carefully. For friendship is a priceless gift that can't be bought or sold, but to have an understanding friend is worth far more than gold. In this stanza, the authors telling that friendship is a priceless gift, isn't it? Friend is a priceless gift. Their poetess used metaphor figures of speech to show the intensity of the friendship. It is a very valuable friend and priceless. It is friendship is a thing that which is priceless but valuable, which is gifted by God or nature. Okay, it is a further poetess telling that the priceless gift can be neither buy bought or sold. We can't purchase it or not sold it. That's why any condition, on any condition, we can't purchase or sold. So having a good understanding among the friends is worth and precious than gold. Poetry suggests us that or telling us that friendship is a very valuable, important, and it that friend is very valuable who is understand to you. It means that us. Okay, which friend will understand to us, which our emotions, which are our feelings, sorrows, which understands its friend is very valuable and important to us, and this friend is very valuable and worthful than the world. Look at her. Remember it. This friend is a worthful or costly, in our words, very costly than the gold. Last one stanza is that, and the golden chain of friendship is a strong and desperate tie, binding kindred hearts together as the years go passing by. Okay, 1 minute. And the golden chain of friendship is a strong and blessed tie, binding kindred hearts together as the years passing by. Years go passing by. In this last stanza, the author is telling that whenever the similar hearts or thoughts are tied together, then it's become friendship of a golden chain then that can't be broken by anyone. Isn't it? Have you got it? Look, in our friendship, which friends are closed or tightly bounded with each other. It means that thoughtfully or emotions which are bonding, that can't everyone when whenever everywhere can't be destroyed or broken it from friendship by anyone, isn't it? uh, I hope this poem you have understood or got it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. uh, we have some questions for homework. Note down, please. How long does true friendship last? Note down. How long does true friendship last? And the last one, second one is that which possession is more precious than gold? Which possession is more precious than gold? Thank you.